How do you create a professional tutorial video without spending hours recording, writing instructions, and editing screenshots? With Visla, you can automatically turn a simple screen recording into a polished tutorial video. With the Screen Step Recorder, simply perform the process once. As you click, type, scroll, and navigate through your workflow, Visla automatically captures each action. When you've finished recording, Visla turns those actions into video scenes, adds narration, generates subtitles, and places helpful callouts, arrows, highlights, and step titles directly on screen. If you need to make changes, you can use Visla's scene-based video editor to reorder steps, remove unnecessary sections, adjust graphics, update narration, and customize the final video. Whether you're creating software tutorials, employee training, customer onboarding, or any kind of documentation, Visla helps you turn workflows into clear, repeatable video instructions. If you're looking for a faster way to create tutorial videos, learn how Visla's Screen Step Recorder can help you record once and create professional tutorials in minutes.